Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on Motorola Moto E14. Firstly, go into your home screen, and while you're there, hold anywhere where there is free space. So let's say here, tap on wallpapers, change wallpaper. You can choose from a gallery or from a device. These are the ones that come by default. Now let's select this one, let's say. Now you can see the preview, how it's going to look on home screen, how it's going to look like on lock screen. Then just simply tap on this icon and tap on lock screen. And as you can see, my wallpaper has been changed successfully. So that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.